Hi, I'm Johnny Lavoie, and I'm a hairstylist with Ford Artists. What I'm going to show you next is how to create an evening look that's simple and doesn't have to take an hour to do. I'm going to start by sectioning the hair in 2 sections. I'm going to continue that on the other side. Then what I'm going to do is take the back of the hair and just put it in a high ponytail. Tease that ponytail. Then I'm going to spray that tease, smooth over the top. I'm going to wrap it and pin it. Once that's done, I'm going to tease the remainder of the hair I have in this other section. Then I'm going to spray that. Once it's sprayed, I'm going to just sort of lightly brush the top, kind of making it smooth but not too smooth. You want an interesting texture to the hair.
I like how big it is. I love big hair.
I'm just going to pin this section underneath. And lastly, just going to add a headband. Slide the headband back, and there you have it. An updo that only took a couple minutes, but looks like it took a long time.